Hi, let's continue with the writing process. And now this extended definition essay. What is this? The extended definition essay topics allow the writer to completely define and explain meaning of a subject matter in their own words. This is very important. When writing an extended definition essay, you should give examples and experiences related to the topic, emphasize its meaning. Also, explain what something is. Give facts, details, and examples to make the definition clear to the reader. There are two types of extended definition essays. Defining concrete objects. For example, you can define a development project. You can define the Legislative Assembly. You can define stock market and the international court. Those are concrete things. And number two, defining abstract concepts. For example, what are international relations, genocide, racism, democracy, justice, anarchy, capital punishment. You can define, different. Never define anything by just using a dictionary definition. Meaning is found in the word, not in the dictionary. The word into your essay and use it to define your term. A thesis statement to a definition essay has three parts. Term plus category plus description term. For example, term, courage. Category is a quality. Description term, of being brave when you are facing something that fears you. Consider the following guidelines as you write your definition essay. Make your essay personal, amusing, vigorously stimulating, memorable. Choosing a generic topic rather than a specific topic. For example, write about churches, but not Westminster Abbey. Your task is to make the definition fresh by using your own understanding and experience to illuminate the word's meanings. Planning guide. Number one, what is the term to be defined? Number two, who is the intending audience for the writing? Who's your audience? You have to analyze that one too. It is the general audience for which terms must be broken down in layman's terms, or it is a specific specialized audience that will know technical terms and will require further definition. Number three, what is the purpose for the intended definition? There are three steps to effective definition. Number one, tells the reader what term is being defined. Number two, present clear and basic information. And number three, use facts, examples, or anecdotes that readers will understand perfectly. Choosing a definition. Choosing a definition is a key step in writing this type of essay. You need to understand the term before you can define it for others. Read the dictionary, but don't just copy and paste the definition. Be able to explain the term briefly in want to limit your term before you start defining it. For example, you could write forever on term feminism. To limit, you will write about either liberal feminism, socialism feminism, or Marxist feminism, radical feminism, and postmodern feminism. So you are limiting, because if you say feminist, there are many kinds of feminists. So you can concentrate, you say it's either liberal feminist, or either radical feminist, or socialist, or postmodernism. The introduction. In the introduction part, you write about the context of the problem. Here you can mention a few definitions and explain which one you prefer. Body paragraph. It should contain 3 body paragraphs. Select 3 different definitions and compare them. Give one example for each of them. Conclusion. Now you can restate the thesis and summarize the arguments in its favor. Tell the readers what is a strong point of your essay. What exactly makes it stand out? Thank you for your attention.